What's the meaning of ancient? Ancient. 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 Ancient.
The term ancient refers to something that is very old, usually dating back to a distant past. It can describe a time period, an object or a place, and is often associated with a sense of historical significance and cultural heritage. Ancient artifacts, monuments, and buildings provide valuable insights into past civilizations and help us understand the evolution of human culture. The study of ancient history and archaeology is dedicated to exploring and uncovering these artifacts to gain a deeper appreciation of our collective past.